Hi everyone, welcome back to the Most Comfortable Heels channel. If you're new here, my name is Vanessa and all I do on this channel is talk about how you can have the most comfortable heels experience, right? But in this video, I'm going to talk about me learning how to make high heels. It sounds crazy to me because if you would have asked me 2 years ago, I would have been flabbergasted that I'm learning how to make shoes. This year, 2021, January, like the whole winter time, we were locked up, like locked down. And I was like, oh my God, I need to learn how to make high heels. So I went on the internet and I went looking for a school. Quickly, I found an atelier. I don't know how you say it in English, but I'll write it down. Here in Amsterdam. And this lady named Esther, she teaches people on how to make shoes. And the beautiful thing about her course is that when you go to her and you tell her, this is the shoes I want to make, she's gonna help you with that. She's gonna teach you how to make shoes from scratch. And you're gonna make a pair of shoes that you want to make. So if you come there and you're like, I wanna make sneakers, okay? She's gonna teach you how to make sneakers. For me, that was the best decision because her course is very practical, whereas if you go to a school, it's more theoretical and also practical. First time I was there, I learned very quickly that when it comes to shoemaking, you have to be perfect. Because if you make a mistake, a 1 millimeter mistake, you're gonna have a whole mess on your shoes. Even look back on the review I did on Passion Footwear. That's a millimeter mistake that they made on the point of the heels. And if you don't take care, it's gonna throw your whole shoes off. So when it comes to shoemaking, you have to be perfect. So that's something I learned. I learned how to have patience and to actually perfect your craft. Because if you don't, your shoes are gonna come out messed up, okay? So the first time I went there and I learned on how to make a mold for your shoes, I came home and I was totally zen. And I was like, whoa, what is this? And I noticed that when I'm making shoes, it's like a full mindfulness. I don't know if you guys have that. If you do things with your hand, it's like very mindful and it gives you like a very peaceful feeling. So after one lesson, I was like, nah, this is something I really want to do. So I immediately asked her if I could lengthen my course to make 3 pairs of shoes. And even after that, I think I'm gonna continue on making shoes because I really love that. The heels I'm making right now are very festive, they're very colorful, they're very bright. They actually are a resemblance of me and the type of heels you want to wear when you go out. And the reason why I chose to make a pair of high heels that are for going out is because when I started this channel, I wanted to learn how to walk on high heels to go out clubbing and come home without looking crazy, because I would look at girls and wonder like, how are they doing that? How are they walking on those heels the whole time? And at the same time, if I go to the bathroom, I see all these girls like holding themselves up on the sink because their heels are hurting so much, right? So that's why the high heels that I'm making right now, like a night out type of heels that won't kill my feet. The heels that I'm making right now don't have a too high of a heel. The heels are wide fit and I'm making sure that when I wear those heels, they are comfortable, they have a square toe, and they're gonna be very festive. The reason why I wanted to make a pair of shoes that were colorful, bright, they look like you can wear them to a night out, is because a lot of times if you look at heels that have a mid heel, they're often very boring. It looks like all the girls who are wearing the highest heels, they get to have all the fun designs. And I'm like, wait, hold on. The mid heels need to have the fun designs as well. It's taken a while, but right now, I promise, I'm almost finished. I'm gonna put all the parts together and after that, my shoes are finished. And let me tell you guys what, I am going to launch my shoes, but it's not going to be for sale. I worked so hard on making these pair of heels. Why not even like create a whole creative campaign around it? It's not going to be for sale, but I just want to, you know, present it in a very cute way. I just want to learn how to make shoes, and you know what, if I become very good at it, maybe I want to look into starting something, but right now I just want to learn how to perfect the craft. So yeah, so that is how my high heels journey is going. If you guys would like to know more, definitely let me know in the comment section. By the way, I also want to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. Right now I am at 20,000 subscribers. Like, seriously? That's crazy, right? You guys, please stay tuned. Definitely hit that notification bell because soon I'm dropping the campaign around the shoes that I'm making. Hit that like and also hit that subscribe button. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any questions on shoemaking. And oh, I really want to finish this video saying go out and find something that you like doing, and it doesn't even matter what it is, but in order to know just by starting and not questioning yourself. So I just want to end this video by saying you can find your passion. Trust me, but you just need to start and find out what those things are. So I just want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm going to see you guys the next time where I'm going to talk about how you can find the most comfortable heels.